Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the use of Beckhoff TwinCAT PROFINET Runtime Controller. As you can see, the TS6271 is the Beckhoff Runtime Controller. Master is a supplement that turns any PC based controller with Intel chipset and the real-time Ethernet driver developed by the Beckhoff into the PROFINET Runtime Controller. So basically, with the use of this supplement, any Ethernet interface can become a Profinet master. So this supplement can be used on PCs and embedded PCs. So in my demo, I'm going to show you like presently I'm using a Vago coupler, Profinet IO coupler, 750 370 series, which this product is basically discontinued by Vago at the moment, but for the demonstration purpose I'm using this product at the moment. Apart with this also I'm using a 750 431 8 channel digital input 24-volt DC card, and as well as there is a 750 530 8 channel digital output card is also available. So I can show you the just and all I can show you the display, the brief demonstration about my setup. As you can see here, I have the Vago 750 370 Profinet IO coupler. Then I have a 8 channel digital input card, 8 channel digital output card, and the end terminal module. So I made a small setup where, as you can see, the XPSAV, the Snyder electric mag safety relay is also there. So I have created the small circuitry with the emergency stop 2 channel and start button monitor. This circuit I have created, and whatever the inputs are there, like uh, I'm using this input to the PLC on my digital input cards, as well as the signal coming from the K01, K02, K11 and K12, just to demonstrate how it works. Okay, so now I'll just start Beckhoff TwinCAT 3 software. I'm using right now the version 3.14024.10. Okay, so I'll show you the process how we can use Beckhoff TwinCAT PROFINET Runtime Controller supplement. So first we have to start with the PROFINET IO controller runtime. Select PC. Once you are done with this, as you can see, this is my Ethernet adapter which is already connected. I have to put my TwinCAT in configuration mode. Okay, now I can scan for the IO devices. As my system is already connected to the Vago PROFINET Vago IO coupler, as you can see in this the Vago PROFINET 750 series PROFINET IO coupler got detected. So from here we can assign a station name. We can assign this station IP configuration. So this is the IP I have configured for this PROFINET IO coupler. So after detecting, I'm okay with this configuration at the moment. So I'll just go and add to my system. Okay, now it is asking me to add a digital input card. So my digital input card is 750 431. So make sure it's okay. Then I have a 750 530 digit 8 channel digital output card. Okay, now we have to close this window. I'll just give a name to this project. I'll just create a global variable. So my IO variables are created in global variable list. Then I have to compile my project so that the variables which I have created in a global variable list are now visible in the IO tree, so that I can assign this variable to the input and the output card. You can see here. Okay, now we are done. I have to save and activate the project. Here I have to make some changes into the PLC task. So I've just written a small logic where whatever the inputs are connected on a WAGO input terminal, the status of all those inputs will be directly passed to the all the outputs on the WAGO digital outputs card. Again, finally, after doing all this modification, I'll just download this project one more time. Now I have to go online with the PLC, start. As you can see, the values are started coming here. I can show you. You can see the 75370 PROFINET IO coupler is a healthy mode. It's running. Now I'll show you when I press the emergency button, all the inputs will be gone. See, and you can see status is 0. Okay, so if I release the emergency and reset, all the input will be up, and that will pass to the output as well. As you can see the status right over here. So this is how we can do the with the use of normal laptop or embedded PC or any desktop also, which has the Ethernet Ethernet chipset developed by the Intel and the real-time real-time drivers, Profinet IO drivers developed by the Beckhoff. With the use of those things, we can test the Profinet IO with our laptop, desktops as well. So thanks for watching.